The competitive world requires every individual to keep abreast of the fast changing technology, as well as the latest developments in every sphere. How can you do this? Simple. You can steer ahead of the competition by reading every bit of information that comes your way. Reading is one of the main techniques of absorbing information, and a good reader can work wonders with the minimum time at his disposal. Reading at a fast pace can help you read the morning newspaper, browse the countless mails from customers and colleagues, books, periodicals, reports, and even your favorite magazine or novel within a short span. When you look closely, reading is actually a work-related skill that you need most often in your life. Most people acknowledge that though they approach a book with the intent to complete reading it within a few minutes, they literally take hours to finish it. Why is this so? First, you will have to understand the main reason that impedes your reading speed. There can be several factors that can stop you from reading and comprehending information at the same time. Reading word by word, sub-vocalization, poor concentration, regression are some bad reading habits that can bring down your speed of reading. This article focuses on a simple trick that will give you more time to read. You will be amazed to find that you can master the art of fast reading within a matter of 15 minutes. This trick is a set of 3 steps, and you need to master each step before proceeding to the next. The human brain can work at lightning speed and is actually capable of comprehending several words simultaneously. The key to improve your speed of reading is to read 2 or 3 words at a time instead of just one word. In order to read multiple words at a time, you need to develop your peripheral vision. You should try to capture more words within your vision than just concentrating on a single word. You can get into the habit of reading chunks of text by practicing to read a newspaper. Newspaper columns are normally about 1.85 inches in measurement. You can easily fit around 4 to 5 words in your vision, thereby providing the perfect medium to master reading many words at a time. Use your 2 fingers as pointers, read in a Z pattern, and use your peripheral vision to capture multiple words at a time within your vision range. In fact, your brain can comprehend more words with this simple method than by reading a single word at a time. Reading at a fast pace definitely requires a lot of practice, but a 15-minute practice can definitely improve your overall reading speed. You can soon find yourself reading through a local news about a dance event within a matter of seconds. Many people have gained considerable improvements by following this simple tactic. You will not only be able to read at a faster pace, but also complete your daily work more quickly and maintain a healthy work-life balance. If your mind fails to understand what you are reading, then you should try to reduce your speed. Reading 1 line a second is considered a pretty good speed for a beginner. This trick is of utmost significance and can definitely give you more time to read during the day. A person who has mastered the art of speed reading never complains about the lack of time to read his favorite book, magazine, developments, or newspaper.